I'm Meredith from Fern Pottery, and I want to give you a little demo of the glaze pump that I've got. This is a finished product where you can see that I've glazed the inside and the outside in different colors. Now we're going to take our mug, bowl, whatever you choose, turn it upside down, step on your glaze pedal. Ta-da! Drip it off. Then you can decide if you want the rim of your mug to have glaze on it or to be clean. For this style, I like a clean rim. So I do one side with the scrapey side of a kitchen sponge and one swipe with the spongy side. Oops, got a dribble.